I was like, yes. You're just Jagat ki bhabhi ji.
Sometimes fans are also coming and saying, I'm like, Arre?
It was in Meerut, yeah, where we were shooting in that Satwarganj, in that train station.
Yeah.
There were people who had come with bats and all.
And they were like,
copying
the bat
the
and doing this.
signature.
And I was like, what are you thinking just now that I'll like just see this and be like, ah.
It was amazing.
This is what gets me.
It was amazing. It was amazing. It's amazing to see this kind of love, and it's. I mean, I see it like that. I just feel it's love. It's just pure, unquestionable love.
Acha, Anushka, you tell us this because I think all of us could use this. Okay, between you and Virar, you must have like the two highest stress, most demanding careers where the highs are really high and the lows are really low. How do you keep this Zen-like attitude where you really invest in the process and disconnect from the outcome? I mean, you must have perfected it. How else can you be together?
Because I think we are both not so attached to what we do. The other day someone asked me this question about, power couple and two powerful people from your own industry, and when you're together, like how do you manage this and all? And I thought to myself, and I told them also, I said, we don't see ourselves like that. If we started to see ourselves in that way, then there's something really wrong in the nature of our relationship.
Correct. If you went around saying we're a power couple.
No, even if you don't talk about it. Even if you don't talk about it. But I know that people can get off on stuff like this.
Sure.
You know?
Yeah.
But even to feel that, it's not even a thought that arises in our mind about, what we do. And if someone was to really have an insight into our life, we have very simple, we are very, very simple people. Like wanting to do very normal, simple things. We are both very awkward with the fame that we have. We don't embrace stardom and fame and that's why I think we connect so much. Like we run away sometimes from these things. We sometimes find the need to be in our own cocoon, and that's the reason why we are so self-sufficient. And when I say self, I mean both of us. Like we both come into that self because we don't see each other as two different people. Like we are exactly. Him and me are male and female versions of each other. Yes, of course, the outer expression might be different and the way people look at us might be different. But inside, the values are exactly the same. And we both are very spiritual people. Our life, first and foremost, we lead spiritual lives, and then it is what we do. Our professions, that's just what we do. So I think somewhere that's where we find our strength from. That's the thing that we're focusing on. This is our duty, and we perform our duty, and then we come back, and then we stay, and then we perform our duty, and then we come back. So the detachment.
That detachment. How do you have that detachment?
So usually when the high happens, I guess it's my high. Like if someone watches Sui Dhaga and comes and tells me, which is happening, if someone coming and telling me that मुझे picture बहुत अच्छी लग रही है या your performance I've really liked, I don't feel like it doesn't happen. At the same time, if someone comes and tells me, Pari didn't do that much business, I don't feel. So it's there, it's in between, and this is practice. To feel this way and to get there, you have to work towards it. And I guess we both work towards that. I think a lot of times for him, when he attained when you went whatever, in cricket, it's like a century that you score. It's him overcoming his mind more than anything else. It's not like कि मैंने क्या भयंकर 15 shots खेले. It's about मैंने अपनी mind को, अपने fears को overcome किया, and I did this. So that is the victory, And I think. So I guess we just see life in a very different way, and we don't see it from the point of view. That's also there, but that's just who we are. But we use that position to do more. We use the position that we are in to influence some people, not in a way that, we need to talk about everything and voice our ideology on everything, but just by the way we are. And if that has some kind of an effect on the people surrounding us.
Easy, people think it's easy that when people come and keep asking you questions, trying to उंगली करना है या ये करना है या मजाक करना है, मस्ती करना है, eventually तो आपके husband के बारे में बात करें ना, it's such a personal thing. It's not easy.
No, but also I think people are so excited. I mean, are you a cricket fan?
I am. I am, but I don't. I control myself. I don't. Anushka, आज तो Anushka बात करा दो यार. I'm never going to do that. I'm never going to do that. I'm never
Well,
going to do
she's
that.
married to the
I know,
greatest
I know.
batsman
She's in the world.
alive.
Yeah,
I
she
mean,
is.
that's massive.
I'm married to the greatest man in the world.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
I
See, that's incredible. Yeah.
But obviously, I mean, look, it's not a secret that the whole country loves him. You know?
Yeah.
And we all feel he's ours because